Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dewa Agung Radhaswati. You can call me Radha. And in this video, I would like to present my presentation about the nature of teaching model. And in this presentation, I will discuss the 3 points of the teaching model. The first one is the definition of the teaching model. The second is the characteristic of good teaching model. And the third is the elements of teaching model. So let's we start the presentation. First is the definition of the teaching model. Agung in 1979 states that teaching models is as prescriptive teaching methods that help to achieve particular educational objectives. Moreover, Joyce and Well in 2003 describes a model of teaching is as description of a learning environment, including the behaviors of teachers when a certain model is implemented. So, according to both statements, we can conclude that a teaching model is a set or guidelines for the teacher to conduct the teaching and learning activity which help to achieve the successful educational objectives. And teaching model also can be defined as the instructional designs for the teacher to select the appropriate strategy, method, and approach to achieve the successful educational activities in the classroom. So teaching model also same like the uh, preparation or instructional designing before conducting the teaching and learning activity. Next is the characteristics of good teaching model. Teaching model can be categorized as good model if it contains this characteristic. The teaching model should be rooted from particular learning theory. Provides positive atmosphere in the classroom. So, a positive atmosphere really influences the classroom to make a good impact for the students. Provides effective interaction between the teacher and the students. Interaction between teacher and students is important to make the situation in the classroom alive. Guides the teachers to plan appropriate teaching strategies. Appropriate teaching strategies can give the successful educational achievement in the classroom. Allows the teachers to arrange a systematic, sequential, and logical teaching process. Specifies the role of the teacher and the students clearly. So by specifying the role of the teacher and the students, the contribution between them will be balanced in the classroom. Provides a large scope for the supporting material. Supporting material is important in the teaching and learning activity to find the good learning by the students. It can also support the student in finding the answer of the subject in the classroom. provides a lot of opportunities for students to participate actively in the classroom. If the students participate actively in the classroom, it means the teaching model is good. Could arouse students' interest and motivation in learning. Students' interest and motivation is factor that can give contribution in the teaching and learning activity. Every model fosters and strengthens the cognitive structure of the students. So, teaching model will be categorized as good model if contains these teaching model characteristics. Next is the elements of teaching models. There are 6 elements of teaching model that consist of focus, syntax, principle of reaction, the social system, support system, and the last application and effects. Let's we discuss it one by one. First, focus. Focus means the teacher have to focus on the goal of the teaching activity in the class that have been designed before. The second is syntax. Syntax is the steps or phases of the model that will be implemented and presented on the class, and in syntax it describes the complete programs of the action that will be conducted in the model. The third is principle of reaction. It is the how the teacher react or give the reaction for the student's response in the classroom interactions. The fourth is social system. Social system describes the role of the or relationship between teacher and students in the classroom during the educational activity. The fifth is support system. Support system is tool or aids that can be used by the teacher in the classroom, such as books, video clips, audio recorded, speaker, slides, computer, etc. And the last is application and effects. The teacher should select the appropriate application to give positive effects for the students to develop their abilities in the classroom. So that's all about my presentation about the teaching model. Thank you for watching and see you on the next opportunities. Goodbye.